So next one is Ben Harper's Burn One Down. I'm going to write this out differently to the way that I wrote it out for you guys, just to be annoying. So we're going to start with 3 G's, 3 D's, and then a line which goes G, A, B, G, and a line which goes C, B, A, D. I've put little brackets around the last of the 3 G's and the last of the 3 D's to show that they're small strokes, and I'll show you what I mean by that. This is 3 G's. You hear that last one is a bit more gentle than the other ones. It comes later. So that's why I've put it in brackets basically. So going from the G to the D should sound like this. So I'm just going to do that a few times. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one more time. 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so the next line is G, A, B, G. I'll just practice that around a few times. I'll start quite slow. So G is 3rd fret on your top string, A is your open A string, and B is your 2nd fret on your A string. So G, A, B, G will go 3rd, open, 2nd, 3rd, like that. Okay. So we'll go a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Cool. Okay, so the last line is going to be C, B, A, D. It's the same speed and pace, and so C is your 3rd fret on the A string, B is your 2nd fret on the A string, A is the open A string, and D is the open D string. So it goes 3, 2, nothing, nothing. Okay, so we'll just do that through a few times. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have a look at these 4 lines again. First line is 3 G's, do, do, do. Second line is 3 D's, D, D, D. Third line is G, A, B, G, do, 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 do. And the last line is C, B, A, D, do, 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 do. Okay, so I'm going to play them all separately before we try to run them together. Here's 3 G's. Here's 3 D's. Okay, then G, A, B, G, then C, B, A, D. Okay, now the tricky bit is getting to go from one to the other smoothly, so we'll start real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. so you've probably noticed if you go from the G to the D, it's quite easy to do that bit because you've hit the open D string. So coming down to the third line, G, A, B, G, it's nice and easy, your fingers are already in place. But when you go to the C, that's a shift of your middle finger, so that's probably the bit that needs the most practice. So I'm just going to go around from the last two lines over and over again for a bit of practice. So that will go G, A, B, G, C, B, A, D, and we'll just go around it around those two lines. So that will sound like this. 2, 3, 4. So you notice when you finish doing the G, A, G, pop down onto the next string for that C. G, pop. Go. Just 2 more times. Last time. So when it's all put together, it should sound like this.